All right, everyone, let's go wait for a couple more people in. Let's go wait. All right, let's go find a couple trade. So we're gonna start with the 10 bucks first. Let's go find something really good. So it's 92%. Let's go find out something. I'm trying to find something really good to watch so we can trade out together. So I think I saw opportunity right here. Let me put this line right there. Let me create another one. That will be my support and resisting line. So right now, see touch 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go wait. This one here, if that candle go up now, I'm gonna buy. So I'm gonna wait. Let's go wait, see if you're gonna go. For me to be safe, I want to make sure the next candle come right here, and then I'll click buy. Let's go wait. All right, let's go wait and see. Yeah, the next candle, we want to make sure it's coming right here. Let's go wait. Come on. I'll get it right there. Let's go wait for a pullback. That's nice. I-24 second. Alright, it's look like not gonna respect, so we're gonna double the money, but let's go away. We got a 12 second, so I'm gonna buy twice. He tried to come right here. Let's go wait, and I'm gonna wait for a little pullback. Not yet. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback. Right there. Oh, wait a minute. It's oh, my time it's wrong. Let me fix my time. Yeah, my time. All right, it's all fixed right now. All right, guys, let's go wait for a nice pullback again. This one here I lost. That's why I went twice right there. And for some reason it did respect, but I think I'm gonna get all those three for 18 seconds. Seven, six. All right, so it went. So let me go back to $5 again. So let's go. Let me find something different. Let's go another pair. All right, this one here. Let me put my, like I said, my support line right there. And let me get another one here. The next one will be right here. See all those? Just go wait for a nice pullback. So we want to make sure that candle coming right here before we buy anything. 5 seconds. Yeah, it's hit many times right there. Just go wait for a little pullback. So I'm gonna $5 right there on that line. That will be a nice pullback. Just go wait. How many trading I did a day? Well, it's depend. I have my goal. So as soon as I make my goal, I already make my goal today. That's why I'm trading only $5. So I know maybe I'll do it like maybe 10 a day to make my goal. Sometimes 5. It's depend. All right, so I'm gonna buy a pullback right there. All right, was win. Nice. Yeah, my Telegram, it's on my TikTok profile. Guys can follow me over there on my Telegram channel. Let me post the link right there. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me find another one. Alright guys, that's my Telegram channel. I just posted right here. And also, if you guys want to follow me on my YouTube channel, just right here, it's my YouTube channel. You guys can check it out. All right, let's go back to the trader. All right, let's go find something better now. This one is still good. Let me put a couple lines right here. See how many times it hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one here, it's a very good resisting area. And this one here, it's another one. So we're gonna wait for a pullback, and let's go see if that red candle touch the green line, and we're gonna buy. But we gotta make sure on the next candle, we wanna make sure it's breakthrough. So you wanna try to come right here. Let's go wait. It's breakthrough. Let's go wait. So now I gotta wait. So I'm gonna wait, come right here first so I can buy a pullback. Let's go wait. Right there. That's where I'm gonna buy a pullback. Now I'm gonna wait, see if you're gonna respect. If not, let's go wait and see what's going on. Come on guys, if you guys can give me a couple likes. So all right, let's go wait 19 seconds. I'm gonna double, but I'm gonna wait for a pullback. If I lose, it looks like we're gonna win. So we win that one. Why my time it's wrong? Let me see. Something wrong with, oh, that's why it was 1 minute. All right, let me refresh my page, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me reflect the page. I want to make sure. Okay. Yeah, my time was wrong. So it was 2 minutes. That's why. But we just got on the pullback. Let's go wait. Where's my music? I like relaxed music, like violin and piano make me feel much better when I'm trading. So I know a couple guys put some hip hop music, but I can't concentrate on that. I need something to relax my mind. All right, that was nice win. Okay, so let's go back to another one. Yes, I set my level, so it's you see right there. So the next level will be right here because what happens, that candle that can come right here. So when it's coming right here, it's very good to us to get in to buy right there, you know. But in the meantime, it's still fighting between those. And the static tell it's going up, but I don't like go over with this. So I prefer doing my own strategy. So let's go find another one. Well, if that candle, the next candle come right here, between those lines right there, right? The next candle, and then I'll buy a call. So we call green, I don't know if you guys familiar, buy a call, buy puts. That's we use um, um, on trading. So yeah, that one it's not good anymore. No, I don't use a boot, so I prefer using my own strategy. So I don't believe in boots. So that one make you lazy, so you don't learn anything. And I know a couple guys try to sell those, but I don't think it's not working. So say y'all manipulated guys with your mind. The only way you can make money if you learn and understand the candlestick. You know, each candle like have something. You see, for example, this one here, it's a double position. You see, the body inside the wink, the next candle it's red. Let me find something. See, another double position. The next candle was red. So you have to learn about the pattern, about the candles, because we are scalp. We are get in and get out. We don't hold the, for example, we don't buy the currency and keep for 1, 2, 3 days. No, we just try to buy and sell in the same time. No, I can't change the music. That's making me relaxing. I can't put a little down. Yeah, but I like the type of music make me relax. If you don't wanna listen, I just turn it off. But I sorry guys, I like relaxed music, make me concentrate. So can you imagine if I put some hip hop music or some I don't know, it's not making me feel good. I'm sorry guys. So if you wanna you can change the music, but I can't. Alright, this one here is not good. See when you saw very thread, you don't want to keep him falling because it's not a strategy. No, Bad Bunny, no. Yeah, maybe sometimes. I recommend, for example, between 10 trading, you have to win at least six with the same amount. Let's say if you're trading $5, it's a 92%. Yeah, you have to win at least six to make profit. Let me find another one. Guys, why don't you guys follow me on my Telegram channel and I'll be happy to answer any question you guys want. Let me find out another trade. This one here. No, that one's no. No, I just trade a couple hours and that's it. I don't do anything. That's what I do for live. I used to work on construction before, no anymore. That was 8 years ago. If you guys go to my YouTube channel, I have my first video over there, I think was 7 years ago. All right, let's go this one here. All right, this one here, we have a very good opportunity. So let me poke up a line right there. So guys, those line, it's the key to be a better trading. So this one here, it's your enters area. So you want to make sure you see, look, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how many times this one here, it's a very good resisting area. I can't remember how much money I started in the beginning. That was 8 years ago. I start trading. I trading on U.S. stock. Actually, I'm from Miami, and I used to trade it on. I'm still trading on Ripple. That will be option trader. This right here, USG CHF. So I'm gonna try to buy right there. I'm gonna wait for confirmation first. So I wanna make sure that candle coming right here. So for me to be safe, I want that candle break that line and then I can buy. This right here, it's USD CHF. All right, let's go wait. I see opportunity right here. Let's go wait, make sure. All right, it's let's go wait. It's break. Let's go. We want to make sure it's break. And let me put another line here. So I'm gonna make sure this right here, another defense right here. So it's not good yet to buy, so we gotta wait. See, you got another resisting area here. 1, 2, see 3. So we're gonna wait. So it's breakthrough, so I have to bring my line down. So now if the next candle, if we break that line, and we're gonna buy, but not yet, we're gonna wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're gonna wait. Let me put another line here because this one here, that won't be a little trick. We have another support area right here too. So we have a 3 line. So let's go wait. We don't buy anything yet. We're gonna wait. I got a 1 line here. Right there. So we're gonna wait. We don't want to do anything yet. We're gonna make sure that candle break that green line and then we can buy. Let's go wait. Let's go wait. We're gonna get a pullback right there. Come on, break that line right there. That's where I bought. And we should go wait. The reason I have that line, it's right here. Look, we have a double. See right there? The red come. That's why I choose to put it right there. But it looks like not gonna respect. If not, so we're gonna get another trade. Yeah, I can teach. If you guys go to my Telegram channel, send me a message over there, and then you see it's easy. Come on, guys, it's so easy. It's not. Look, we're gonna wait for a pullback. Now you see this, so we're gonna this one will be the next pullback. You see right there. So we want to make sure that candle come right here, but we have only 30 seconds. So we want to make sure if that candle come right here less than 30 seconds, so we can buy again. See, now it passed 30 seconds. I'm not gonna do anything, so we have to wait. See, I don't want to trade it right here. See, because that was a nice pullback, but it's less than 15 seconds. So it's a guarantee that candle not gonna break through the line. Just go wait. Yeah, this right here, we want to make sure we have another resisting area here. 1, 2, 3, yeah. So if that candle touch that green line, I'll sell. Let's go wait. Let's go wait. I want to make sure it's touching so I can sell. Let's go wait. Wait. I have only 4 more seconds. 30. No. No. I don't trade anymore. So like I said, guys, we have only 30 seconds to make a decision which direction we're gonna go. So let's go pick another one. This one here, it's no, that one's not good. High, low, high, low, high, low, high. Now it start getting down. So the only way that will be a trigger to to get a sell right there, but it's too far away. So we don't want to do anything here. Come on, guys. Can you give me a 3,000 like so I can keep with the video on? Like I say, I'm new on TikTok. I don't know how those work, but I heard if you guys give me a like, so TikTok let me help with my video. So right now I can at least do like at least 3 videos a day on TikTok. I used to do on YouTube. The only problem on YouTube, we have a delay for at least 10 seconds. That's not good. On TikTok, it's good. The delay, it's not delay at all. I'm very surprised. Guys, gonna ask any question? All right, let me get another one. That one's terrible. Look, don't trade it like that, guy. That's a parking option. Let me see this one here, guys. This one here, look. We have a resisting area right here. Let me show you. Look. How many times that candle touch right here? That's very strong resisting area. And the next one, it's right here. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm sorry. 5, 6. Look, it's very strong. So we have opportunity right here to buy a call right there. I use a pocket option, but for Forex, uh, I use a forex.com. All right, let's go wait. This one here, I saw opportunity, but let's look. I got a 1, 2, another defense line here. The only reason I'm gonna buy if that candle come right here. If it touch that green line, I'll get a pullback. Let's go wait. No. I got only 5 more seconds. Let's go. I'll take anyway. See, that will be less than 30 seconds. That was a pullback. Let's go see if he's gonna respect. 12-second. Let's go away 2-second. All right. So we're gonna wait for pullback right now. So now I'm gonna looking for those right here. So we're gonna put 20. Wait for a pullback. That one's look really nice. Anyone, oh my God, people so crazy. If anyone want to recover all that loss, then message me in private. Wow. Come on, Dave. It's crazy. Oh my God. Wow, I missed that one. Look, I was reading the message. That one was nice pullback right there. Let's go wait. Let's go wait for nice pullback. Let's go wait. Sorry, Dave, it's not advertising me here. So let me block those people try to advertising. So I'm trying to help you guys, and some people try to sell a boat. Come on, boat is not working, guys. If you have to learn. All right, let's go wait. If you come right here, I'll buy a call. So let me see. I want to make sure. Oh, you have another resisting area here too. So let's go wait for that one. So yeah, it's a very good resisting area here. See? Next sort of. Yeah, I'm sorry. Some people don't like my music. I try to relaxing. So I'll send a link about the music. That's the music I play when I'm trading. Yeah, make me relax and concentrate on my trade. All right, guys. So if that candle come right here, I'll buy. So I see very good opportunity right here, guys. Look, let's go wait for a pullback to get that green line here in the next candle, and then we're gonna buy. Come on, guys. I need 3,000 like. Can you help me out, please? So I can keep up and running the video. So let's go the next candle, guy. We're gonna buy, okay? Let's go wait. See, it's try to come back. Look, let me show the strategy here. Look, wait for pullback. Don't buy yet. Let's go wait for a little pullback. Let's go wait, 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 wait. Couple more, wait. We have a 30 second. We want to make sure by right there. Oh, I miss it. See, that's the pullback we're looking for. If you come back again, less than 30 seconds, I'll get another one. I'll get a 2. That was nice pullback. See, that's safe, and that's how we don't lose. So if we don't respect, I'm gonna double, but right now it's look like the strategy. That's what the strategy look. If you go back right here, I don't see anything here. See, that was the last line right there. Let's go take a look. See, oh yeah, he's supposed to come right here. Let's go see if we're gonna go back. If not, we're gonna buy the pullback again. All right, wait. I'm gonna wait for a little pullback. I don't wanna buy in the green. Wait. Let's go see if we touch that green line. If we touch that green line, I'll buy 2 more and that's it. One more. Come on. Right there. Oh, yeah, perfect. Let's go wait. Let me see the background here if we have anything else. Because he tried to get in. That's the line right there. Yeah, it's nothing. So it's supposed to go up now. It's supposed to go up. Come on. It's nothing over there. That's the last pullback I see, unless I have something far away, but we have to go only less than like 20 minutes. So took only one, but let's go wait for a pullback and we're gonna buy again. Let's go wait. Yeah, that was the last one. Now we see that week, that will be the last resisting area right here for this trader. Look, let me go back right here. You guys can see, look, was not there anymore. That one, it's past. Now we have the new resisting area. It's right there. Okay. All right, let's go find another one. That one not, well, that one is looked not good for trading. It's this one here. Let me put a couple trend line here to see. Yeah, that one break. So let me put a trend line here. So that will be right here on that wick. Right there. So the next resisting area, it's far away. So maybe that candle gonna keep me up until here. Let me get the line straight. Right there. So I don't want to buy until come close to that line on top. Let's go wait. We got a 32-second. Let's break those trend line. $18. Well, let me go back to was $5 again. Yeah, so we want to make sure it get close right there so we can sell, because that one will be the next resisting area here, and after that the next one will be right there. All right, let's go wait and see. If it comes right there on that line, we can buy. But now it's not anymore. It's less than 20 seconds. Let's go wait. go away and see. Hi guys, I just posted my Telegram channel. I be send a free signal over there for everyone can copy and trade my signal over there for free, no charge at all. Alright guys, so this one here you gotta wait. So we don't wanna go after, you know. The only way to be safe, if the next candle, if it go up, we can buy a sell, but just go wait for a pullback. So if the next candle go up, we buy a sell. Not yet. Let's go much past that wick right there. Right there is good. We can get a right there. That would be a nice pullback. Less than 30 seconds. So now we're gonna wait. That will be safe for trading. So now we want make sure the next candle, if we win that trading, all right, so we want to make sure the next support resistance will be right there. Look, we're gonna make sure we put the line right there, and let's go back to the trader. So we gotta win. So now I don't want to trade anymore. I see it right here, double position. If that candle come back again on top, I'll get another sell, but only on pullback. I don't want to buy on the open. Let's go wait. Wait. He tried to come right here in that trend. Look, if you come right here, you can buy too. But to be safe, you wanted the next candle go up, and then you buy close to that last wick, you buy down. Let's go wait. See, try to get the trend line right there. There, the confirmation, right, it's touching. So now we can try to get a buy the next candle, but we want to make sure. Let me see, I got a 35 second. So I'm gonna buy on the pullback just because it touched my trend line and breakthrough. So I'm gonna buy up. Just go wait. Just go make sure it's confirmed. I got a resisting area here. See, that one was a nice pullback. See, less than 30 seconds. So that's right here will be perfect. A pullback. See between that line. You see right there? Let me put this line here. You see? That will be nice pullback right there. Perfect. 10 seconds. Yeah. Just go wait. Let me show my win rate. Right there. So we remember we double and we went. All right, let's go wait. All right, let's go get another one, guys. This one here right now, it's not good. It's break the digit confirm. So we want to find another one. So it's really good. You find that one's not good. Let me, this one here. Let me see. Yeah, no, that one is not good. This one here, the only way we can trade it if we it's too far away. So we want to make sure that candle coming right here, and then we can buy, but we want to make sure it's break the line a little bit, and then we can buy a pullback. Yes, I'm doing 1 minute. Look, guys, let me show you right here. This is 1 minute, right? And this 45, see 46, this range 47 and 00. That's how we keep. Let me show you something. Let me put a dollar here just to show the time. Look, 5 seconds, right? Let me I'm gonna show just right here. Look, it's 59. I'm still in the game. 50. I'm gonna buy with 35 seconds. Just, I want you guys to understand the time. That's important because I want to keep trading on the same candle. Look, 35. Let's say I'm gonna buy a sell. Look, you see my time right here, 41, 40, still the same, right? Look, and then I still have, I can buy less than 35. Look, I can buy 34, it's still the game, 32. Now if I buy less than 29, now, you see, you don't want it. You want to make sure you buy on the time, you see, because what happens, I did my trade based on that candle. If I do this, look, 1 minute. Look, let me buy a call. Let those finish first. You see, everything ends with the time. Look, 6, 5, 6. Look, 3, 2, 1. You see, that's the time. Now, if I use 1 minute, look, the time will be different. Let me get out right there. Look, you see, 49 and 58. That's not good. So that's why I don't like to trading on that. Because if I need to get a pullback, for example, if I get a pullback right there, look, let me go back. Let me get any pullback here so you guys can see. Let's say I want to get pullback right here. See, I still in the game. See, 25 seconds. But if I use a pullback for 1 minute, I got to wait for the next candle. It's not working. Okay, so I want to make sure guys understand that. I like to keep the time like 1 minute less. See, 48, 51, and 49. Wait, turn 49 right there. Look, 49 will be 50. So now it's good. All right, guys, that's the time. Look, that's 1 minute. That's regular time. See, UTC4, UTC4, you have to follow the time on top. Okay? All right, let's go. That was a test. So let me go back to $5 again. Oh, yeah, when? Let me see. Yeah, let's go back. You gotta. Yeah, a lot of people they use 1 minute straight. No, you don't want to use 1 minute. Let's say if you want to buy on the pullback less than 30 seconds. Come on, guys, give me 3,000 like. I got only 2,000. So that way make TikTok happy because they say, because I'm new on TikTok, they say I need some whatever they told them about. I need a couple likes to keep their account up and running. So like I said, I'm new on TikTok. I used to do my life on YouTube, but I like TikTok because YouTube, we got a delay like 10 seconds. On TikTok, it's look like it's a real time. All right, guys, we have opportunity right here to buy a call, but I want to make sure it's coming right here. See that last week? So I want to make sure the next candle, that candle come right here. I can buy on pullback. I don't want to buy on the open. No, I want to make sure it's breakthrough and give me a pullback. Let's go wait for nice pullback. 5, 3. If it don't come right here, I'm not gonna trade it. 4. All right, I want to pull back. I want to make sure it's coming right here. Come on, Come on. And also I have only 35 seconds. I can get right there. Let's see. Let's go back. Look, got one here. But the right way, it's come right here. You see, you got a 43 second. One more. One more. Come on. Come on. Come on. I took anyway. So 36. I'm going to take another one. Look, that will be perfect time. You see? Now let's see if you're going to respect the pullback. Because this one here was the last candle. So that's why I take 5 right now. So I also have to win. See those time? It's match this. So let's go wait for a pullback, see if we're gonna go back. But that was the nice pullback. I don't see anything else here. So if you don't respect, I accept the lot and do it again. You see? But my second line is right here. So I'm gonna wait for that second line right there. So let's go wait for pullback. I'm gonna put 10 bucks now. Let's go wait for pullback here, come back. All right, so you gotta put the timer right. Just tell me why you don't put the timer right. So you gotta make sure you change those right here. Look, that's time. This right here, time. This right here, you gotta make sure it's 1 minute, not 2. Otherwise, you're gonna, and then you adjust your timer right here. All right, let me wait, guys. I gotta get that money back. Let's go wait for a pullback. Five seconds. Now, if that candle come right here, and then I can buy a call. But let's go wait. Let's go wait. Let's go wait. No, I actually did, and then people started calling. All right. Sorry guys, my toilet's stuck in the other room. Let's go wait for a nice pullback. This one here, I read a lot. So let me go back and find something better to get that money back. No, I don't take the trade. I prefer find another way, because that one was not good set up. I think I'll try to explain about the time, but in the meantime I lost 5 bucks, 10 bucks. So this one here, I have to wait for a while. So we're gonna put the line. This one here, we got an interest right there. But you see, probably gonna take 3-4 minutes to get here. So let's go find something else. All right, this one here to break the trend line. No, that one's not good. All right, let's go see another one. Yeah, that one's too far away too, so we want to make sure it comes right there. So let me put a couple line here. I think I saw opportunity right here to buy a call, but we'll see. The only way I can buy a sell, if you break that line and come right here, see that wick? Come right here. And then I can buy a sell on the pullback, not on the open. So I want to make sure. Everyone, let me. Guys, this is my. I'm just gonna post my Instagram channel right here. So I'm gonna be continue the live over there. So let me see right here. I see opportunity right here. Let's go wait. Look, you see right here and right there. Look how many times they touch and mark at the same time. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a very good area. So if that candle break through that line, we can get a buy. We can buy right here. Yeah, it's gonna take so long. Let me get something, find another way. No, that one's not good. That one it's look better. So still concentrate on that. So I see opportunity right here. So we can see if we can trade it between those two lines here. Let's go wait for a nice pullback. If that candle touch the green, we're gonna sell. Let's go wait right there. That one was nice right here. Let's go wait, see if you're gonna accept that one because it's breakthrough. But let's go wait. I got a resisting, well, one resisting area right here. Let me put this line right there. Give me 1 second. Yeah, he tried to go up. He's breakthrough. Let's go wait, see if you're gonna go up again. If I go, I get a short time right there. A second. So I'm gonna buy a sell again. So I wait for pullback. Or if you come right here, I'll buy a call. Let's go wait. Wait. Come on. That one. That one was nice. I put 20 because I lost 10 on the last one. Yes, I be honest with you, I don't like to trade on OTC. Yeah, that's why they manipulate, I think. But you have way you can break the system, like if you use your own strategy, but don't use a boot OTC. You know, it's not that good. Believe me. I like to trade in the morning on the open market, like USD. That would be great. That would be nice. All right, that was nice pullback. Yeah, Rich. OTC, it's not that good. Believe me. It's if you don't have experience to read the chat or those candle, yeah, you can get in trouble. You can lose all your money. Let me see if I have any open here. All right, that one it's not OTC, 77%. See, that one is good, but the problem is I have to trade on 2 minutes, you know, and with those, I like to trade with a 5 minute candle, uh, if not OTC. See, this one here giving me more possibility to buy and sell. Let's go find something good, not OTC. All right, let's go USDC. See, that one it's real. That one is not manipulated at all. You know, and also if you guys familiar with the news, So we can go to check the news and see what's the news for those. I use the news. I use investor.com. It's called, and then I click on economic calendar. So you see this one here is good. Let's go see if we can trade it on not OTC. So you got that one. You got another line here. But like I said, right now, that's why they don't pay that good. So see, I got only those two options. Yeah, that one's not good. I gotta wait a while. So, car GPI, see, that's not OTC, that's real life. People trading right here. So let me put up a line here. Let me refresh my page and make sure it's not any delay. All right, good. So, see, 2 minutes, that's I don't like it. But this one here, it's a 5 minute. See? So, and then I gotta change my time for 102. See? But I trade in the morning. I'm not use OTC, only open. So let me go back to OTC and change my time here and change the candle. Now we go back to 1 minute frame and we're gonna adjust the time. So 52, 53. So now we're gonna go 54. Oh no, 54. And now 6. All right, now I got a 1504, 1503, perfect. So now I can start trading. All right, let's go back again. Let's go take a look. Anyone have any question? All right, so let me go back to the trade. Let's go find something else good to trade. This one here not looking good. All right, Monique. So if you are AI consultant, so you must be good in numbers. So this one here must be easy for you. So you have to make sure you just invest at least 3% for your money every day. If you lose, you stop and go to the next day. So that's I used to do in the beginning. I used to trade in only 3% of whatever my account is. All right, this one here, we have opportunity right here. Let's go keeping. This is it's a parking option. All right, let's go back. All right, let's go wait. This one here I saw opportunity, but we want to make sure it's breakthrough. And also, come on guys, don't watch the times here. I'm sorry, I gotta block this other person. Well, believe it guys, if you start adding advertising, so I have to block. So I'm trying to teach people they really want. They don't want to buy a boot or anything. They want to learn by itself. Don't get a boot, guys. Believe me, it's not working. If someone tell, oh, my boot it's really good, I can make money. No way. They you're gonna lose all your money. You gotta do by yourself. You gotta learn. All right, let's go wait for this one here. I saw opportunity right here. But I want to make sure it's coming right there, and also it's break that first line. So my first resisting line is right here, and then basically it's right there. So we have one and two right here. So we're gonna wait. So we want to make sure that candle coming right here. Let's go wait. If you're coming right there, it will be perfect too. Let's go wait so you can buy. No, we want to make sure it's break the line, and the save area it's right here, the last line. Yes, Rich, I do is if you go to my YouTube channel, I'm trading. I use over there Reboot and Thinkswim, and also Lightspeed. That'll be option trading. I trade Amazon. Um, it's the same technique. So if you take a look at my video on YouTube, take a look at those videos 2 years ago. That's how I start trading over there. And also 6 years ago, I got a nice video over there. I was use Thinkswim. Alright guys, let's go wait for pullback right there. See, I buy a call right there. It's breakthrough, so that will be nice pullback. Let's see if you're gonna respect. But like I said, like the other guy told you, it's OTC, so it's a not respect technique. So the next trade it's right there. You see, it's breakthrough. The next one probably be right here. See, right there. Well, look at that candle. Let's go take a look at that 5-minute candle. 5 minutes. Let's go see how big that candle is. See, see, he's gonna come right here. See, a lot of defense area. Nothing here. So let's go wait. Maybe you're gonna pull back. So I want to make sure the time it's right. Oh, see, 2 minutes. I gotta make sure it's 1 minute. So I don't see no other pullback here. You see, that's what I don't like. So this one here, I gotta make sure. All right, so let's go. I lost that one, so I want to make sure buying a pullback, but I don't see any resisting line anymore here. See, that's the last one right there. So I bought it too late. Supposed to buy it right there on the open. So let's go see if he come back again. Like I said, I got only 35 seconds. I got a 5 more seconds. After 30 seconds, I don't trade anymore. So yeah, I lost. I was looking my message, so I missing that one. That one's I'm supposed to buy right there. I'm trading option with parking option. So Audi USD. was good. So the only way I can buy again a call if that candle come right here, but supposed to break that wick. If you break that wick, and then I can buy again. Let's go wait. Let's go find another one. Let's go see this one here. Let's go put a couple line here, make sure. Oh, I gotta delete all those lines first. All right, this one here. We got our very nice support resisting area here. So that's the only way. If we break through, we can buy. Or if we break through that line, if we come right here below this, and then we can sell. No, I don't trade a pullback. I saw the opportunity, and yeah, I'm trying. Sometimes I trade on the open, but I like a pullback. I think it's more safe because you have a 30 seconds to think which direction the candle can go. You see, now I don't have a trade anymore. See, let me explain about the time again. Let me put a $1 here. So why I like a pullback. For example, if I trade it right now, right, with a 1 minute, see, if I sell, so I'm out of the game when that candle, and then I'm gonna continue trading. See the time right there? That's why I don't like to use that time. I like to use the other time. Because if I need a pullback, you know, I can, because my strategy is for that candle 1 minute, not for the next one. So that's why I like keeping my my trading on the real time, not 1 minute. Okay. Let me go back here for my $10 again. Yeah, it's down. So, but like I said, I just about to show you guys. So let's go wait. All right. Let me see. So now I gotta do this. See, starting 2 times, that will be my next resisting area. So the next candle, I want to make sure it's coming right here first, so I can. I took the trade just as a sample, but right now I'm gonna buy if that candle less than 30 seconds coming right here. Wait, I'm gonna wait, and then I'm gonna buy. 3 more seconds. No, I don't trade anymore. I pass those. Let's go find another one. Guys, I don't want you guys buy and sell at the same time. I'm trying to teach you guys some kind of technique. So don't try to copy and trade it, because I'm trying to explain at the same time. All right, let me explain again. Look, that candle start going up. The only way to sell, to buy a sell, if that can pass that line, not touching, but need to pass. Let me see if we have anything here. See, look, how many times it touched? 2 times. See right there? It's touching exactly. So now I'm gonna sell on the next candle because it's touched my resistance. Not because those indicators, no, because it respect those lines. Look, I'm gonna buy a pullback. You see now, because that's a lot of pressure, sell. Because I have a lot of pressure, sell, so that can start going up again. Look, I'm gonna do a test. Look, I'm gonna buy a call against the candle. Look, look. Okay, it's a lot of pressure. You see what I'm trying to explain. So I want to buy one coming right here. That's what I did. Guys, it's so easy to understand. Look, one time, two, three times. So now I'm gonna wait for this one was attached. I want to explain to you the pressure with the buyer. Try see that wick right there. This one here, that candle was green. So what happens is the sell tried to get in, and then that's why you have that huge green candle. So now look, now I want it to be safe on a sell, but I want to make sure that candle not break through. All right. So I don't want to sell right here. You see, that's because that candle break through. Did stop below that line. You know, so I'm gonna buy a call again because it's gonna continue going up because it's breakthrough. Let me buy another one here on the pullback because it's break. You know, it's not gonna come down yet. If it touch below that line, yes, but we see. So if you're not OTC, we respect nicely, but like I said, it's OTC, so we play against the machine, you know, not against your knowledge. You see, that's what I don't like sometimes OTC, but that was my strategy. See, I lost. All right, let's go. Put 20. Look, it's breakthrough. The only way for me to buy a put, if I come right here, or if that candle touch on those. Let's go wait. All right, let's go see. Let's go wait. One, two. So this one here, another resisting area here. One, two, three. That would be nice pullback, huh? But I don't want. I want to make sure it come on top. Let's go wait. So this one here will be right there, the next high. Let's go find another one. I don't like. I gotta go back to my $20 because I lost the last one. All right, let's go find something really good. This one here. Nope, not looking good. No, that one, no, look terrible, that one. Give me a couple minutes, guys. Let me find something good so you guys can trade it with me, and then I can explain. No, it's too far away. not looking good. It's too much. Let me just move those line here. Now it's a nice resisting area here. This one here too. 1, 2, 3. And he tried to go up. Let me see if I have anything below that. No. Yeah, if you go to my YouTube channel, I have some tutorial video explains couple entries over there, and you guys can take a look. Let me put those resisting line right here. That one tried to break. Let's see if how far I can go. We got a one resisting area here. See the wick right there? So I used to put my line between double touch, like see those two candles right there, and that wick. And also right here too. So let's go wait. Yeah, it's breakthrough. So yeah, so let's go. If you go back again, if you touch on top, but I need to buy in a pullback, I'll get a sell, but I want to make sure it's break to that green line. All right, let's go wait. Let's go wait. I got like 10 more seconds. Right there. Wow, it's breakthrough. Wow, did you respect the reading? So that's why I hate OTC. Oh my god. Let's go wait. They have another resisting area here too. They tried to get in. Let's go see if we're gonna respect that one. 12 seconds. You guys gotta trading in the morning. It's not OTC, so you see the difference. It's every time the analysis you doing it's much better than OTC. OTC it's very dangerous, believe me. So look, I got another resisting area here, and the other one's right there. Looking guys, if you guys want me teach my technique, you can send me a personal email and then we can talk. So sometimes I have to spend at least 30 days teaching at least one person at a time. So you guys can send me a message and I'll be very helped to talk with you, see what's your goal, and then I can help you out to make your goal. And also you have to learn about those technique. I'm talking about not indicator. Indicator it's good, but your technique it's you have to read those candles. Okay. So let me get another one. I got this is my Instagram channel too. You guys can follow me over there, and if you go ahead and take a look, so you can send me a message from here from my Instagram. All right, guys, I saw opportunity right here. We can do the analysis on that. Let me see this one to break through. Let me see. we have, all right, let me put the music a little down. Sorry, guys. All right, the music is better now. Yeah, that's a good idea. What happens, Freco? I'm new on TikTok, so I used to do my live on YouTube. I will put the links on my bill over there, okay? But thank you. All right, let's go wait. So I saw opportunity right here. Um, all right, let's go. Let's go wait. I saw it's try to break through. So we want to make sure we want it for confirmation, okay? So the confirmation will be right here, guys. Look how many times it touching. So you see, he tried to go up. Probably he tried to get in right here. Let's go wait. All right, let's go wait. Yeah, he tried to get in. That's the higher. Let's go wait. So we want to buy on a pullback, a buy, but we want to make sure it break that line first. So to be safe. Okay, so let me put only 10 bucks here. You know, I can get a call right there on that nice pullback. Let me, if you come here again, I'll buy a call, but less than 30 seconds. No, okay, I'm missing that one. All right, let's go wait. So you want to make sure it's break before you buy a sell. Let's go wait. 15 more seconds. So you want to make sure, see, it's the problem is that candle can come right here before a sell. So we got to be careful. See? So a lot of people enter right here. No, I don't want to wait. So I'm going to do, I know you're going to see it stop right there on my line. So I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for confirmation. I want to make sure it go up and then I can sell. I don't want to buy right here. No, no way. I'm going to wait. Because with guarantee I have that candle not going to turn green. Yeah, good. If you enter it, it's good. But I did it. I want to make sure it's safe. All right. So I got. Give me 1 second. Sorry guys, I'm just back. My door was ringing and I have to see what's going on. Alright, let's go back again. Why you cannot join the Telegram? You don't have a Telegram? Yeah, the link is into my bill, so you can click. Let me. Alright, hold on. That's my Telegram channel. I just posted right here. Alright, let me go back again, guys. Let me see this one here. This one is not trade anymore. Let me see anything else. Alright, we can wait for that one. We have one support resisting area here. We want to make sure that one can come back. Alright, let's go wait and see. This one is looking really good, but you want to make sure that candle come right here, break the second green line, so that way it will be a nice safe entry. This one here, let me see if we have any. Yeah, that won't be a call too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 starting right there. Alright, let's go away. This one here will be another one. And the next one will be on top. What's the other line I did? Hold on, let me. Oh, right here. Alright, let's go away. So we're gonna use this to trade. So let's go wait for a nice pullback. That was nice setup right there. I got one line right here. So the price start going up. We want to make sure it's breakthrough and come right here so we can sell. Let's go wait. Start, try to get in. Come on. Let's go wait. So they have to come between those two lines here. So if you touch that one, we're gonna sell. If you touch below, we're gonna buy. We want to make sure this one here, it's small resisting area too, but it's not that big. See right there? Double touch right there. See? Let me put a line here so you guys understand. See right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch. So that will be very good resisting area too. But now the price start going up. We're gonna wait. You want to make sure it's break so we can sell. Let's go wait. Go away. $25. 16 seconds. All right, 2 seconds. Let's go away now. It's in the middle. We want to make sure come release right here. We can buy. Let's go wait. Come on. It's a parking option. That's the broker. Let's go wait. $24 seconds. See, try to get in that line. Let's go wait. Go wait. So we want to trade between those two lines here. You don't want to do anything here in the middle. See, it's still in the middle, so you don't want to trade here unless if you touch that one, and then we're gonna buy in a pullback, or if it come right here, you see, let's go see if it's gonna go up. It's nice if you break that line, and then we can sell. Wait, right there. That will be a trigger. I'll got another one, two right there. That will be nice pullback. Break those two lines. So let's see if you're gonna respect. That was nice pullback. Yeah, I just bought another one there. Let's go now. Let's go make sure it's gonna pull back. We have those line all creative, so we want to make sure come back right here. We got another 10 seconds. Still fighting. 3, 2, 1. Come on. So just getting half a day away. So let's go get back. So we're gonna buy a call. I'm waiting for pullback right here on that line. Or if it touches that line, I'm gonna sell. Let's go wait. Let's go wait. That was a huge line. Oh my God. So I'm gonna take see, I want to buy right there. I saw that pressure, so supposed to buy a call right there, and for some reason it go up. Yeah, that was supposed to sell. I clicked the right. I supposed to click sell. I click buy. That was my mistake. I hate that. It's supposed to be a sell right there. Yeah, see, that would be nice pullback. I click green. It's supposed to be red. So let's go away again. So wait for pullback right here. 40. I have 15 more seconds. Come on. Let's go wait. One. Just take one. To be safe, if that candle come right there, that'll be safe. So let's go wait. Yeah, see, if you break that line, that'll be nice pullback for sell. All right. So let's go wait for 18 seconds. Let's go wait. Withdrawal is not working. I don't understand. Can you say one more time? All right, guys. Now we have to move those lines to other resisting areas right here. Look. And you want to make sure that candle come right here. We can sell. All right. Let's go wait. We can try right there. Let me see. It's a lot of pressure down. So that's why I buy a put right there. If you go up again, it will be better. Let's go wait. We got a 35-second. See, nice setup right there. And the next resisting area will be right here, look. And the last one will be right there. So if you keep following your support and resistance line, guys, you're gonna be good. That's more safe. You can use those indicators if you want, but I think it's better if you use those buy and sell, you know. So let's go wait for pullback on top. Let's go wait. Let's go wait for pullback. So we're gonna buy a sell, but we wanna make sure that candle it's turning green, touch right here, so we can sell. Let's go wait. For a second. So now we want to make sure it's gonna go up. Wow, look at the gap. That's a gap. Ten more seconds. Right there. That's where I want to buy. Another one here to be safe. That would be nice pullback. Let's go see if we're gonna respect. Everything's supposed to going down because it's not resisting area on top anymore. So he's supposed to come down. So, but like I say, it's OTC. OTC, sometimes it's not good to trading. So that's why I trade early in the morning. So that's why I put only $5-10 to trade it so you guys can see. But that was nice pullback. All right. So you guys have any question before I end the video? So you guys can follow me on my Telegram channel or my YouTube. So I'm gonna add on my bio my TikTok. I think I have my Telegram channel on my TikTok profile. So you guys can take a look. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, just send me a message. So before I gotta go back to a Telegram channel. We're gonna do a live over there for all those people down there. So we're gonna trade it on 5-minute candle. So that will be good and safe for us. So we can trade all together. So I'll be send the signal over there for free, but not gonna be 1 minute. It will be 5 minutes. I will do another one, Armando, tonight, around 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock, all right? But right now, I'm gonna, I gotta go to my Telegram channel and send a signal over there. You're welcome to follow me over there, and we can trade out together, all right? All right, take care, guys.